Hello, I'm Jody Nelson, principal at South Elementary.
And I'm Matt Borgman, assistant principal here at South. For generations, South has served our community's children, providing a foundation for their future success.
Today, we want to share information about our current facilities, how they compare to updated learning environments, and the role the 2025 bond referendum may play in addressing our identified needs.
South Elementary's building, built in 1952, is the last of our older schools in need of major renovations. In our dimly lit hallways, older lockers mean it's difficult to fabricate parts and reflect wear over time. Our commons and cafeteria areas can feel crowded when we have makeshift storage areas, making it difficult for students and staff to move safely and efficiently. Classrooms designed for smaller class sizes and older educational models now struggle to support today's teaching methods and technologies. Additional areas, such as the library, have outdated features that limit flexible learning and group work. Older restrooms and worn fixtures demonstrate a need for modernization to better meet accessibility, functionality, and privacy standards. Behind the scenes, mechanical systems like our boiler room and HVAC units show visible signs of age, leakage, and emit audible tones throughout the school, while the kitchen layout challenges staff as they manage daily meal service amongst tight spaces. Outdoors, the playground's condition, including worn asphalt and damaged gutters, highlights the ongoing maintenance needs of an older facility. To provide context, we look at Horace Elementary. Built in 1983, it has been renovated to newer standards as we've added on to the building due to growth. There, modernized classrooms and well-equipped breakout spaces support collaborative learning. Updated HVAC and kitchen facilities ensure a comfortable and efficient environment. Students and staff have access to well-maintained outdoor areas and upgraded common spaces that accommodate various educational activities with ease. These improvements illustrate how targeted funding can address infrastructure and educational needs. South Elementary's identified issues range from mechanical and structural upgrades to more responsive and adaptive teaching environments. The upcoming referendum is designed to give our community an opportunity to consider providing resources for such improvements. If approved, it would enable projects aimed at creating more flexible learning spaces, enhancing safety and accessibility, improving energy efficiency, and updating essential building systems. Should this measure pass, the intent would be to bring South Elementary's facilities closer to modern standards, similar to what is currently available at Horace Elementary. These changes could enhance the daily experience of students, teachers, and staff, and ensure the school is prepared to support current and future educational requirements for decades. Thank you for taking the time to learn about these conditions and the potential impact of the 2025 bond referendum. We encourage you to review the information provided, ask questions, and engage with the process. Your understanding of these details will help you make an informed decision on February 17th.